everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and this channel is called Finance with Lizzie. If you're new here, you're also welcome to the family. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. On today's topic, I'm just going to discuss with you and just remind you all that if you would like to book some time with me to speak about any finance matters you have, maybe whether it's something to do with student loan finance queries or personal finance queries, debt finance queries, or maybe you just want to understand a bit more about finance in general, I will leave my appointment link in the bottom below, and it should also be at the bottom of the screen as well, for you to book an appointment with me. I am a accountant as well, and I have studied and gained a lot of experience in accounting and finance over the years. So you are more than welcome to book some time with me by just clicking on the link below or in the description box to book some time with me. And yeah, if you want to have a chat about your finances, or if you just want to have a question you don't really know the answer to, or you don't want to, or you don't even know where to start, yeah, just feel free to click the link below or check out my description box for how to get in contact with me. And I look forward to interacting and speaking to you all. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for the love. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all for sharing. I really appreciate it. Thank you all for the phone calls, the WhatsApp messages, the texts, the normal calls as well. Thank you all for the questions. Thank you all, because I really appreciate it, and it makes me encouraged as well that yes, I'm recording this content and people are actually watching it and asking questions or wanting to know more. So thank you all. God bless you all. I know that this channel is not like me by myself. God is directing me with this channel, and we're going to see where it takes us to. And I'm very grateful that as I'm bringing out this content, God is directing me with the content, and you are actually all responding. You are coming back with a lot of queries. I felt overwhelmed quite a few weeks ago actually, because quite a few people were calling me and messaging me. I was like, wow, wow, it's a lot. But I just want to say thank you, because even though it was a lot of different queries at the same time, I'm grateful because I was able to get through every single person's query and respond to them. And those that I'm waiting for them to respond back to me, they will respond when they have more time, or if I've sent you an email, yep, then please do respond, because I'm here to help. So thank you all for watching. Thank you all for your questions and your comments. I appreciate them all. And please do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, do not forget to share, but most of all, please do not forget to subscribe. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. It keeps me motivated, and it will let you know as soon as I release a new video each time. So please don't miss out. Just subscribe and be part of the family. Finance with Lizzie. God bless you all. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye and God bless for now.